gravity, the earth turns from sanity, taking my own. Live friend I know, leaves a lot. His name is Hope. I'm never what I like.
Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to repair the iPhone 5s screen. And let's get started. One Phillips screwdriver, a spudger or blade, one pentalobe screwdriver, and a suction cup. Alright, to get started, all we need to do is get your pentalobe screwdriver and remove the two screws at the bottom of the screen. Frame in the screen, and see, once I got that in there, you just want to move around the edges until you get like a good spacing, like a couple centimeters. Alright, so once you got it up, you'll see this shield right here, okay? There is 5 Phillips screws. So get your Phillips screwdriver and you want to Alright, now remove this shield and lay it to the side.
I'm semi-automatic, my prayer schizophrenic, but I'll live on, yeah, I'll live on, yeah, I'll live on. I'm semi-automatic, my prayer schizophrenic, but I'll live on, yeah, I'll live on, yeah, I'll live, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm semi-automatic, my prayer schizophrenic, but I'll live on, yeah, I'll live on, yeah, I'll live on.
Alright, now see these 2 ribbon cables? Alright, you're going to want to get your spudger and pry up, and the other one, if it pops off, that's great. You don't have to do anything else. So there's your old screen. Now, get your suction cup, and if your screen is severely cracked like mine is, your suction cup may not stick. So what you're going to have to do is, you're going to have to Alright, now in order to put the screen back on, you just have to repeat all these steps backwards. Now here's a high-speed recap of what we just did.
A spudger or blade.
Night falls with gravity, the earth turns from sanity, taking my own. Live friend I know, leaves a lot. His name is Hope. I'm never what I like. I'm double-sided and I just can't hide. I kinda like it when I make you cry, 'cause I'm twisted up inside. The horrors of the night melt away.